Hey guys, I just want to show you something really cool. Well, I think it's really cool because if you're trying to be high speed, low drag, and you don't want to spend, $40-ish on an HSGI mini blowout pouch, yeah, you can get a flashbang pouch for $3 from the mil-surp store. Let me show you something. So here you go. This is an unissued flashbang pouch, and get in there. Okay, you can run this on your belt for when you're trying to be cool at the range, or if you're Leo or just a general BA. Set of shears, cat tourniquet, that's it. And all I did was took the strap out of this flap, tuck it inside of here. Then this goes in here. I can do this. I'm a professional. I got a bunch of business cards printed one time for my tree service, and it said professional tree care on it, except that the lady who wrote up the job at the printing shop spelled professional wrong, so they said professional instead of professional. And she said, well, I'll give them to you for free. I said, ma'am, I don't think it's going to look very professional when professional is spelled wrong on my business card. So I had 1,000 cards. They reprinted them, but I ended up, I had 1,000 misspelled business cards as well. So there you go. There's a little high-speed, low-drag tourniquet and set of shears in minimal belt space for minimal cost. These are $3 at the military surplus store. And if you don't like this particular pattern of camo, go on Amazon and get one for $5 in Coyote, or $82.99 and Cry, genuine Cry precision multicam, or whatever. But there you go. There's an alternative to the little $40 pouch that HSGI sells, which I'm sure is well made, but $3 or $43, you take your pick.